if you see the topic here, I'm still on that surd. Now they say solving equation in surd. Why do we call it equations? Any mathematics expression you see that is having equals to, that will become equations. And what is the purpose of equations? Is to find unknown letter. Can you see here? I'm finding y. To find unknown letters. Can you see here? I'm finding, they say I should find m plus n. Finding unknown letters. That's why we actually call it equations. Any mathematical expression you see that is having equals to, you must know that it's equations. And the purpose is to find unknown letter. Now, let's look at this too. They say find y if root 12 minus 147 plus y 3 equals to 0. Now, this root 12 is a surd. They're actually surd. We have to break it down. How do we break it down? Put it down, just say 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Because I told you, use number that the one will be a perfect, the one will be a surd. Minus 147 is 49 times 3. If you check 49 times 3, you don't give out 7 because 3 times 9, 27 into 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, that is 14. Plus 1, 3 equals 0. Some people ask me that, how am I quickly know that 147 is 49 times 3? How are they going to quickly know? They can use this method. That's how. And you give 147. Use this method. That what can you use? 2 cannot go here. It's 3. 3 in 14. 4 in that 2. 3 in 27. 9. What can we do? It's 7. 7 in 49 is 7. And 7 in 7, that is 1. And you see now, that's how I know that is 49 times 3. Because 7 times 7 is 49 times 3. You just use that method to break it down so you quickly get what you need. So plus y with 3. I cannot break this one down anymore because this is 3. So that means, like the way I taught you, root 4 times root 3 minus root 49 times root 3. Are you getting it? Somebody's asking that why can't we put this one inside a bracket? It doesn't matter. Because we are trying to split it down. Plus y root 3 equals 0. So what is root 4? 2. That is 2 times root 3. That is 2 root 3 minus what is root 49? 7. That's 7 times 7 root 3 plus y root 3 equals 0. But don't forget, I am actually looking for y. I'm looking for y. What do I do? Let me just bring this one here and bring this one here. So I will make this one to stay. That means y root 3 equals to 0. So when I bring this one here, it becomes minus 0 because there is a plus here. Or when I take it to join this equals to become minus 2 root 3. When I bring this one here, it becomes plus 7 root 3. After I've done this, so that means I'll have, we will have y root 3 equals to 0 minus 2 root 3, that is minus 2 root 3 plus 7 root 3. Y root 3 equals to, I told you, if you look at them, they all have the same roots. So they can be added. So the number in front of them is minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7 is what? Minus 2 plus 7 equals to 5. Because you go somebody to naira, you have 7 naira. You pay that 2 naira, so you are having 5 naira with yourself. Because that's when that is 5 root 3. 5 root 3. But don't forget, I'm actually looking for y. So y equals to 5. Because root 3 is in both sides. You can cancel each other. Y equals to 5. As simple as that. Now, let's quickly go to number 3 and see what is it. Look at this number 3. It's very cheap. They say if n plus n root 2 equals to 2 minus root 2, find n plus n. Now, when you see an expression like this in surd, if we look at it, both sides, they are just alike because this one is having root 2 root 2. There is a number here, like I told you, in front of a root is 1, invisible 1. It's always here. So invisible 1 here represents the m. Why these 2 represent the m? So that means my m equals to 2. Just compare the two sides, they are alike. That means my m equals to 2. Why my n us what? Minus 1. Because the minus will affect the plus here. Are you getting what I'm saying now? And they ask you to find, but make sure it is of the same root. Are you getting? Is this root that links this? Is root 2, this root 2 that also link this? And they ask you to find n plus n. N plus n. And what's my n? 2 plus what's my n? Minus 1. N is 2 plus and minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So that is that about the addition and subtractions. And solving equation is solve finding unknown letters. Now we go to multiplication now.